हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल आदर्श कोचिंग यूट्यूब चैनल को तुम स्वागत। प्रिय छात्र छात्री मैंने आज आम एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर चैप्टर 8 चैप्टर 10 क्लास 8 रो चैप्टर 10 एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर रो आम सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर ये चैप्टर रो सेकंड पार्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म पढ़ा। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म यार पार्ट 1 वीडियो रे मु तुम मान सहित बेसिक formulas about your exponential power and exercise 10.1 already I am saarche. It is second part of the chapter 8 chapter 10 exponential power chapter exponential power chapter 10 ro second part standard form. Tale first we shall discuss about what is standard form, how can we write the standard form केमती लिखा आउ एक्सप्रेस करवा इच नंबर को केमती स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रे आ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में देथिले तारो एक्चुअल फॉर्म को केमती नंबर टाको आमे केमती पाइबा साइंटिफिक नोटेशन मेथड जोटा आउ गोटे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मेथड। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एक्सप्रेस इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एक्सप्रेस इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करो ओनली 300 इज गिवन 300 गिवन अच्छी ताले स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेशन करले 3 into 10 to the 3 into 100 or 3 into 10 to the power 2, but if it is 3500 one should write 35 into 10 to the power 2, but it is not in standard form। यह स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में केमती एक्सप्रेस करबा व्हाट इज द रूल अबाउट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रो मेन रूल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रे जो नंबर को तुम एक्सप्रेस करिवो बिफोर द you should put the decimal point and before the decimal point ro पूर्वरु only one digit रहिबो only one digit, that means 35 will be 3.5 ताले 3.5 into 10 रो पावर 2 जने जदी लिखि दउची it is wrong। 35 into 10 रो पावर 2 it is also wrong। ताले what is the actual 35 by 10 into 10 into 10 रो पावर 2 remain unchanged। ताले 35 by 10 कहीं क्या में बोले ना 35 by 10 equal to 3.5 ताले डेसिमल लो बिफोर नंबर सिंगल डिजिट 3 only 3.5 into 10 रो पावर it is 10 रो पावर 1 it is 2 10 रो पावर 3, that means 3500 standard formula 3.5 into 10 to the 3। if there are 3 digits गोटे 3 digits नंबर आसो ताको एक्सप्रेस केमती करबा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म 3 digits नंबर माने 487,000 you may write it 487 into 10 to the power 3, but it is not in standard form। ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं ताले हाउ कैन केमती हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में करबा। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रो रूल मु कहि देई तुमको जे डेसिमल पॉइंट रो बिफोर पूर्वरु only one digit you will write only one digit means it is 4.87 will be answer 4.87 हम ताले 487 अछि 4.87 करबा पई we should divide 100 divide करे माने इक्वलाइज करे पई we should multiply 100 by 100 into 100 into 10 to the 3 487 divided by 100 answer will be 4.87 into 10 over here 100 is 10 over 2 into 10 over 3 remain unchanged, that equal to 4.87 into 10 to the 5 is standard form of 487,000 that is standard for 4.87 into 10 to the 5। in this way you will do all the numbers स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रे ए सब नंबर को तमे कर पाइबो। नाउ अनदर ट्रिक आ गोटे ट्रिक मु बताउची अबाउट योर डेसिमल नंबर 0.003 हाउ कैन वी राइट इट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एक्सप्रेस इट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रे एक्सप्रेस करबा 0.003 डेसिमल पॉइंट को हटाई दियो answer will be 3 by 1 2 3 there are 3 places after the decimal point 10 to the power 3 now we will write it 3 into 1 by 10 to the power 3 now it is 3 or 3.0 3 or 3.0 no difference between them and 1 by 10 to the power 3 reciprocal of 10 to the power 3 1 by 10 to the power 3 that equal to 10 to the minus 3, that means 0.003. Standard form expression 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 3. 3.0 or otherwise it is 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 is your standard form. Similarly, another trick. Express in standard form 0.0578. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after the decimal point. That means it will 578 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the power 4. Now 578 into 1 by 10 to the 4. But it is not standard form. Standard form rule कहूँ decimal put करिबो और decimal लो before पूर्वर only one digit रहेगा. ता माने it will be 5.78. 5.78 है वो. That means 578 divided by 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 100. 578 divided by 10 square multiplied by ता माने 10 रो पावर जो 4 थिला आमे डिवाइड कर दे ताकू 10 रो 2 10 रो 2 10 रो 2 एठी काहे गले ना 578 divided by 100 answer will be 5.78 into 1 by 10 ro power 2 reciprocal of 10 ro power 2 that equal to 10 to the power minus 2 is your standard form. 0.0578 standard form expression will be 5.78 into 10 to the power minus 2. In this way, you will able to do express all the decimal numbers in your standard form. Now we are going to study some problems in your book. तुम book रे केते सब problem देछि मुटे solve करिया को try करूछि. Here it is a number given. The distance from the earth to sun distance is 1496 crore meter. एतिकी कोटि 1496 crore. Express it in standard form. Look at here. देखो ठीक है केमती carefully. It will be 1496 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power 8 meter. But it is not in standard form. Now express it in standard form. Standard form it will be 1496. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits divided by 10 to the power 3. Multiplied 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 8 it remain unchanged. Answer will be 1.496. Decimal expression 1496 divided by 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 means 1000. 1.496 into 10 to the power 3 plus 8. 10 to the power 11. The standard form of this expression. 1496 crore. Answer will be 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 is your standard form. Similarly, another question 10.4 from your book exercise book ru तुमको ये number टा करूची page number 126 page रे. There are 12 questions. Next question number 2. Another question for you. Speed of light 30 crore meter per second. 30 crore hochi. तामाने there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second is your standard form. It is only 3 here. You can write it 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. That means decimal point before digit is 3. Only one digit here. That means it is very easy for you, pretty easy for you. Similarly, question number 3. Thickness of class B2I mathematics book is 20 mm. Thickness of math book. Thickness is 20 mm. 20 mm. Express it in standard form. 20 mm means 2 into 10 to the power 2. Sorry, 2 into 10 only. 10 to the power 1. Thickness of your math book. Thickness of a class B2I math book is 30 mm. Is 20 mm. 20 mm means 2 into 10 to the power 1 is your standard form. 2 means it is 2.0 into 10 to the power 1. It is your standard form. Pretty easy. Another question for you. Another question is the average diameter of a red blood cell is 0.000007. That means after the decimal point there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. It will be the standard form expression will be 7 by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power 6. Answer will be 10 to the power 6. There are how many zeros are there? There are 2, 4, 5. 5 zeros. And it is your 7. 10 to the power 6. Answer will be 7 into 1 by 10 to the power 6. That will be 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 is your standard form. Only 7 is there. 7 means it is 7.0 into 10 to the power minus 6. Therefore it is pretty easy for you. Similarly, another question. 0 point the size of plant cell. Question number 7. The size of plant cell is 0.0000. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1275 meter. It is the size of a plant cell. Express it in standard form. Express in standard form ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. Standard form. After the decimal point, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 places. It will be 1275 divided by 10 to the power 8. Now 1275 into 1 by 10 to the power 8. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. But standard form means before the standard point, before the decimal point, not standard point. Decimal point, only 1 digit remains. गोटे ही डेसिमाल पूर्व डिजिट गोटे रही. That means we will write it 1.275. 1.275. ताले after the decimal point there are 1, 2, 3. ताले 1275 divided by, it will be 1275 divided by 10 to the 3. Why it is 10 to the 3? Because 1275 by 10 to the 3 equal to 1.275 into 1 by 10 to the power 5. Here there are 10 to the 8. 10 to the 8 you can divide 10 to the 3 into 10 to the 5. Now 1275 divided by 10 to the 3, answer will be 1.275 into reciprocal of 10 to the 5. Answer will be 10 to the minus 5. In this way, you will be able to do all your problems. Now, exercise. Your exercise. Exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. 10.2. Question number 1. Express the following number in standard form. Standard form में express करो. 0 point. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. After the decimal point, there are 13 numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's why you will be right 85 divided by 10 to the 13. Now write it 85 divided by 10 into 1 by 10 to the 12. Why, sir? 85 by 10 is equal to 8.5. Is your standard form. Standard form expression रे rule होची decimal point पूर्वरु only single digit रहबो. तामाने 85 by 10 answer will be 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12 is your answer. In this way you will be able to do all your problems. Question number 1 is not hard at all for you. Question number 1 रो question V. 1V. Question number 1V. Your question is 3, 1, 8, 6. 2, 4, 6. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 zeros. 2, 4, 6, 7. Again count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 zeros. Answer will be 3186 into 10 to the 7. But it is not standard form. Try to do this. How can you express it in standard form? Standard form express kariya pai 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits. But you need after the decimal point pare only 3 digits rahibo. That means it will be 13186 divided by 10 to the 3. 10 to the 3 into 10 to the 3 into 10 to the 7. No, unchanged. 10 to the 3 by column means जेटी तुम बाय कर इक्वालाइज करने से मल्टीप्लाई कर ताले 3186 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 to the 3 आंसर विल बी 3.186 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7 10 to the power 10. It is your standard form expression of 3186 and with 2 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There are 11 digits, but 7 zeros are there. 3 5 7. In this way you will be able to do all your questions in number 1 of जहाँ सारे questions अच्छी तुम solve कर पाएंगे. Now question number 2. Express each of the following number in usual form. हाँ, standard form रे given अच्छी. Usual form में लिखिए. ताले question is 3.02 into 10 to the minus 6. Try to understand this. 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. 10 to the minus 6 means 1 by 10 to the 6. Reciprocal negative power को positive को जापे ता reciprocal ले रखा है. Because 10 to the minus 2 equal to 1 by 10 to the power plus 2. In this way, you will be able to do this. 10 to the minus 6, 1 by 10 to the 6. Answer will be 3.02 divided by 10 to the 6. What will be answer? Answer who can say? Who can say the answer? Answer will be decimal. Here it is 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. Try to understand. 10 to the power 6. Your answer will be 0.0000. 5 zeros are there. Decimal. Tapre 302 is your answer. It is your normal form. Try to express it in again standard form. Normal form ru फिर standard form कर दो. जमिति की 3.02 into 10 to the minus 6 होगा. Here, look at here. Again, try to understand. 3.02 divided by 10 to the 6. 10 to the 6 माने denominator there are 6 zeros. But here decimal before a single digit is there. That means decimal number पूर्व 6 टा digit आनिबा पहले 3 is there and 1 2 3 4 5. We need 5 zeros. Try to express it in standard form. 0.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means the answer is 302 divided by 10 to the power 8. I am going to express this in standard form. 302 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits. Answer will be 302 divided by 100 into 1 by 10 to the 6. 10 to the 8 को you can express 100 or 10 to the 2 into 10 to the power 6. 302 divided by 100, answer will be 3.02 into 10 to the minus 6. Is your question? In this way, you convert the standard form to usual form or normal form, usual form to standard form. Another question. 4.5 into 10 to the 3. It is your question number 2y. 4.5 into 10 to the 4 means 4 zeros with 1 of 4 zeros. 4.5 is your 45 by 10. into 40 गोटे गोटे जीरो कैंसल 45 1 2 3 45,000 will be answer. Similarly 3 into third bit 3 into 10 to the minus 8 that equal to 3 into 1 by 10 to the 8 that means 3 divided by 1 8 zeros 2 4 6 8 here it is 10 to the power 8 means there are 8 zeros with 1 सहित 8 zeros decimal expression कर दियो 0.000000 1 2 3 6 7 3 is your answer. 0.70 then 3 is your answer. In this way you will be able to do the question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. Standard form रे express करिबा. Standard form. Question number 3. I 1 micron is equal to 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 zeros. 1 by 1 10 100,000 means 2 4 6 10 lakh 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh that means 1 by 10 to the 5 answer will be 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 is your answer. 1 2 3 4 5 oh sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 there are 6 zeros means 10 to the 6 answer will be 1 into 10 to the minus 6. Another question. Point 2. Charge of electrons. बहुत गुटे बड़ा नंबर टा देछि बहुत बड़ा. You will be able to count this. How many I don't know, but let's it is 0.00000000 and the last digit is 16. That means answer. ମୁଁ କରିଦେଉଛି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ନେଇ in this way you will able to do your actual question 2 4 6 8 9 10 11 16 by 10 to the power 11 is your answer. Decimal पर 2 4 6 8 9 10 11 answer will be 16 by 10 to the power 11 again 16 by 10 into 1 by 10 to the power 10 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 is your answer. In this way you will be able to count and express it in standard form. Now question number 4. Question number 3 is not hard for you. Already जहाँ number express रो जहाँ सब rule मो सब कही चलले ताले आउ तुम भाई डिफिकल्ट नो. Question number 4. In a stack there are 5 books. What is stack रे 5 books अछि. Each of thickness is 20 mm. ताले thickness of one book 20 mm. 5 books. ताले thickness of 5 books 20 into 500 mm. Similarly 5 paper sheets. 5 paper sheets. 5 paper sheets. Each of a thickness. 5 paper sheets. Each of a thickness. Each of a thickness is 0.016 mm. 0.016 mm. ताले each paper sheet 0.01 mm. 5 paper sheets. 5 paper sheet 0.016 into 5. Answer will be 5 6 30, put 0 carry 3, 5 1 5, 3 8 5 0. 0. That means it is 0.080. 5 6 30, put 0 carry 3, 5 1 5 plus 3 8, 5 0 0. Total thickness, book and paper, total thickness 100 mm plus 0.080, that equal to 100.080. Simply you can write it 100.08 mm. Express it in decimal. First 10008 divided by, after the decimal point there are 2 digits, 10 over 2. How can we express in standard form? After the decimal point there are 2 digits, 0 and 8. তাহলে স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফর্মে এক্সপ্রেশন করিয়া পাই 1 2 3 4 digits are there, 5 digits are there, total digits 1 2 3 4 5, but we are going to divide 10 to the power 4 to express it in decimal expression, just like your 1.0008 00008 into 1 by, sorry, divide 4, 10 to the 4 means multiply 10 to the 4, also 1 by 10 whole square barkadar. Now it is your 1.0008 into 10 to the 4 into 10 to the minus 2. It is your 10 to the power 4 and 1 by 10 to the 2 means reciprocal of 10 over 2. Answer 10 to the minus 2. Answer only 1.0008 into 10 to the 4 minus 2, 10 over 2 is your standard form expression. It is finished your exercise 10.2 and your chapter exponent and power. Dear students, next chapter your direct and inverse of proportion. Actually it is a difficult chapter, but I will try to understand all my nice students easily and very simply. Direct and inverse proportion को मैं खूब सहज सरल भाव में तुमको बुझे देवी. But before that, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो आउ समस्ते जो मैंने भी ये आमर इट इज योर पार्ट 2 अबाउट योर एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर ऑफ पार्ट 2 पार्ट 1 को जो मैंने भी देखी ना, प्लीज आगे पार्ट 1 को देखो, तापर पार्ट 2 को देखो. कंप्लीट एक्सपोनेंट पावर किसी भी तुम डिफिकल्टी रही. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म जमा भी डिफिकल्ट नुह, प्राय पिला कि डिफिकल्ट भावती, बहुत पिला भूल भाल भी करती. हेले फॉर्मूला अनुसार कले आउ रूल अनुसार पूरा एकदम इट इज वेरी प्रेटी इजी फॉर यू. ताले प्लीज पिला माने तुम चैनल को देख, जो मैंने भी सब्सक्राइब करना तो सब्सक्राइब कर दियो आउ चैनल व्यू बढ़ू. देन आई विल बी एबल टू डू मैनी थिंग्स फॉर यू. बहुत किसी करने चाहूँगी, ताले तुम मैंने मत हेल्प कर. लेट्स आज ये क्लास ये रहा. नेक्स्ट पुणी डायरेक्ट एंड इनवर्स प्रपोर्शन सहित आउ गोटे क्लास तुम सहित देखा. जय जगन्नाथ. जय